If you are on a stamp 1G and you keep getting stuck at the salary stage for a work permit, this video is important because Ireland has introduced a general employment permit Irish graduate route, and most people are either misunderstanding it or not using it at all. Let's start with context. Under the standard general employment permit, the minimum salary is 36,605 from March 2026. For many graduates, specifically in their first full-time role, that number is simply not realistic. You might be doing the right job, gaining experience, performing well, but the salary is still short. That is exactly the gap the GEP Irish graduate route is designed to address. Under this graduate route, the minimum salary from March would be 34,009 euros. That difference of around 2,600 euros may not sound like much on paper, but in practice, it is the difference between a refusal and an approval for a lot of Stamp 1G holders. Let's talk about who qualifies, because this route is not open to everyone. First, you must hold a level 8 degree or higher, and that qualification must have been awarded by an Irish third level institution. This is important. Unlike the critical skills graduate route, the GEP Irish graduate route is only for Irish graduates. Second, you must be a recent graduate. That means you must have graduated within the 12 months immediately before the permit application is submitted. This is a strict rule. It is not flexible, and the department checks the graduation date carefully. Third, the role itself must be eligible under the general employment permit system. This route does not override the ineligible occupations list. If the job is on the ineligible list, this route cannot be used. What this route does is recognize the graduates often start on entry level or early career salaries, and Ireland does not want to lose Irish educated talent simply because of that initial pay gap. If you are on a 1G working in an eligible role, recently graduated in Ireland, and your salary is around the mid 30k range, this route is designed exactly for you. Share this with friends who are on their Stamp 1G, subscribe for more, and DM me your queries. I'd love to help.